Hey guys, the Art-tastic sisters here. So today I bring you again with another home decor DIY or wall decor DIY. First, what we'll be needing is a black paper. I have taken a square paper with size 28 centimeters approximately. You can take any size of your choice. After that, you'll be needing a shining paper like this. As you can see, it's so crystal clear. You can see my reflection over here. So this paper, I bought it in my last trip to India. Instead of this, you can also use gift wrapper or any other shiny golden paper. And I've also got silver of it. This is optional. You can, if you have silver like this paper, you can use it. Otherwise, no need. You can opt for gift wrapper or no need to take anything at all. Yes, those are the materials required for the craft. For the stationery items required, basically you'll just be needing a golden marker and silver marker. I have taken two shades, a little bit darker and a lighter one, to add some depth. One shade is enough actually. So yes, let's get started. So the first step, we take the black paper and slowly start tearing off the edges. It's okay, I'm slowly tearing it off because I want to give the edges a look like this. As you can see, a torn look. Okay, yes, so I have torn off the edges. As you can see, it's having a slight of a brownish effect on the edge. I don't know why, but when I tore these two sides, it came out so like, you know, like this. It was rough and not straight. But here, it seems more smooth in both of these sides. I don't know, maybe it's paper's problem? Anyways, this is the first step. And now let's write a code. So I'm planning to write a code about flowers. So I'm gonna draw a flower's picture over here and write a code with a pencil. Yes, I'll see you after that. So yes, I have written with the pencil and my code is: flowers are like friends, they bring color to your life. And guys, there's one small change. I'm also going to use these 5 colors, metallic brush pens to be precise, on the word color. You know, the rest is going to be with gold and silver, but just in addition. But yes, it depends on your code, so you can use it if you want. If you don't want, no need, all up to you. So yes, now I'm going to write and I'm going to take a time lapse. So this is the first time I'm trying out this marker, but it's actually good. It has a thin tip, so if you hold it slanting, it comes thicker. Yeah, I like this marker actually. It's a paint marker, golden one. It has a metallic look and I loved it. I was actually searching all around my place for this, but I just couldn't get it. But then in India, it was a bit available, so I bought it. And yeah, I love this metallic brush pens. Their color looks so amazing. I tried it out first at white paper and I did not expect it to look so good. But then when I tried it out on black paper, it just looked amazing. Yeah, this is silver brush pen. It doesn't look that much silver, it looks like white. But yeah, I guess. Anyways, here's the flower. I'm doing it. I don't know, I think I'm doing the dots simply because I'm gonna color it up later on. Let's see whether it'll, you know, do anything in the end. Yeah, it's not that visible, just the ends of the dots. I could have only done the dots there. Anyways. Okay guys, now I have finished writing and drawing the flower, and now you might be wondering, what is the use of the golden and the silver paper? So I'm actually going to use those papers for making a frame for this calligraphy. So first frame is going to be the golden frame, and I've already made 3 sides of it. Let me show you how to make the 4th side. I'm going to show you the back side of the paper because there will be reflection, and in the back side I have drawn such lines to indicate where you have to cut. So this much area from here to here, it is a little less than the length of this whole thing, and this is a square which is having a side which is as wide as this paper. I hope you can understand that. So my measurement is just based on the scale, and one strip is as wide as the scale. And yes, I'm going to cut off a diagonal like this from both the sides so that I can get a, you know, frame like structure. You know, they have something on the sides like this on the corners. So yes, I'm aiming for that. So guys, this is the back side. I have all the 4 sides of the frame. I'm going to stick them together to get a square now. Okay guys, now I have made the frame. As you can see, all the 4 corners are stuck together. And now I'm going to take the main calligraphy paper. Okay, this is our paper. This is the back side of the paper. And I'm going to place a frame on top of it like this. So I'll try to cover as much as I can. And sometimes there may be some holes like this. If you closely observe, you'll find a gap over here. So to cover that up, you may have one of these triangles left. So you can just use them to cover it up. You can stick like this. And after you're done covering up all the holes, take a tape and stick like this over here, in this meeting place. We're gonna do all the sticking in the back side of the calligraphy. So guys, as you can see, I have put the gold frame, and now I'm going to do the same with the silver, except the silver is gonna be a little bit big. Don't forget that point. And I'm gonna make another frame with silver. As you can see, I've also made the silver frame, and now I'm going to take our main paper. This is the back side. Like I told you, all the sticking is gonna be done in the back side. So I'm gonna place it like this, and then place this silver frame in a diamond shape. I'm gonna place it diagonally, like a diamond shape. And I'm gonna stick them together, and I'll show you the final artwork. So this is the back side of the artwork. And if I'm being honest, this looks good as well. But yes, let's see how the front looks now. Okay, this is how it looks right now. Tell me what you think of it down in the comments. And also drop your suggestions and doubts down there. And if you like this video, smash that like button, share this video with your friends, subscribe to our channel. And there are some videos on the screen which you may like. This also includes a calligraphy video which gives you some tips and tricks on how to do calligraphy. And if you're a beginner, this is right video for you. And that's it for today. See you next Saturday. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, stay creative.